Hey guys, Adam here and welcome back. Today we got another sharpening video, and today we're going to be sharpening my old Kabar we got. I've had this thing for a long time. It actually sat in a box for a while, so the grip's a little trashed up, but still a good knife. Still tough. Blade's actually pretty good on it. I'm not sure if I've sharpened it on here a long time ago, but we're going to touch it up again today, and today we got the better grit hones and everything. So yeah, we're going to get this thing markered up so we can see what kind of angles we're dealing with, and we'll see what happens. So y'all stay tuned, guys. Thanks. So the Kabar is actually a good knife for this sharpener. It's really flat. It is pretty wide. The angle's pretty fat, but we've got it all colored up. Right here we got the sharpener set on the medium angle. So we'll see what happens. Actually. So we got some different kind of angles here. That one's hitting just on the edge. This one's hitting mostly down the side, a little on that edge. So I would actually like to be a little finer, but I think we're going to stick with this. Oh man, my grip is a little loose. Or not my grip, but a little guard here. But it's alright. So you can see it's actually got a little bit of a wobble to it. That's a bummer. Let's keep sharpening. So here you can see it's getting down that edge pretty good. This side's right along that edge. The tip's kind of messed up. I don't know how I've sharpened this thing in the past. If I've used this sharpener or tried to do it by hand. Before I had this sharpener, I did them by hand, and it didn't turn out very good. So now it's really toning it up on the edge there. That's what we like to see. Like I said, that end. Man, focus. There we go. Still a little not where we want it to be. So you don't always have to do the big strokes. You can oops. So that's looking pretty good. Thing is super duper sharp. It's an old knife. I've had it for a long time. I think I bought it back in high school. Still super tough. Super good knife. Let's change the homes on it. Put some 1000 grits. And we'll make it right. Alright guys, we got the 1000 grits loaded up. These things are so much smoother. You can just feel it. Man, for Kabar, that thing is sharp. Yeah, it just still a little bit off. Yeah, this thing can do. It's almost shaving sharp. Like I said, the angle just feels so fat on this thing. But you know it'll cut. Yep, that helps a lot. Well, guys, quick little video sharpening up a Kabar, an old Kabar. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Thanks for the likes, shares, and subscribes. Y'all know the routine. And y'all stay tuned. We'll come up with some more videos, guys. Thanks a lot.